Hello students, we are doing chapter number 6 function, and in previous class we have seen some problems from exercise 6.1. So today we will continue that exercise 6.1. Okay, so till problem number 3 we have done. So problem number 4 is given if f of m is equal to m square minus 3m plus 1, find first f of 0, f of minus 3, f of half, f of x plus 1, f of minus x, and f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Okay, so the one function is given in the form of f of m is equals to m square minus 3m plus 1. We need to find out the values of the function at 0, minus 3, half, x plus 1, minus x, and 2 plus h minus f of 2 upon h. Okay, so first f of 0. So just simply put, instead of m, just put 0. So it will be 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 1. So the answer will be 0, 1. F of 1 will be 1. Okay. So minus 3, half, and this. You do at home these 3 points. Just put minus 3 in this equation. Minus 3 square, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1. You will get the answer. Okay. Only we will do this into today. In our class, we will do this. And the rest all are for your homework. Just simply put that value into your function. You will get the answer. Okay. I will just do that E part. It is on page number 118. Okay. So we have to find f of 2h, 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h, where h should not be equals to 0. Okay. So to find this, first of all we have to find f of 2, then we have to find f of 2 plus h. Okay. So the f of 2 will be 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 6 plus 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So f of 2 is equals to 3. Now f of 2 plus h is equals to 2 plus h whole square. Instead of m, we will substitute 2 plus h. Okay. Minus 3 into 2 plus h plus 1. So open this bracket, a plus b whole square. So it will be 2 square, that means 4, plus 2 into 2, that is 4 into h plus h square, minus 3 into 2 is 6 minus 3h plus 1. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay. H square, 4h minus 3h plus h. Okay. And this is 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So this is the value of f of 2 plus h. So substitute it in this. We'll get it is f of 2 plus h is equals to h square plus h minus 1 minus f of 2 is equals to minus 3 upon h. So this is h square plus h minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 upon h. Okay. So this is your value of this at value of the function at this point. Okay. So the rest all B, C, D and E are for your homework. Okay. We will not take that part into class. It is very simple. Now we will solve example number 5. Okay. Example number 5, example number 6. I'll just take 1 or 2 examples from each question, and the rest all sub questions are for your homework. Okay. So problem number 5. Find x if g g of x is equals to 0. Okay, so given that find x if g of x is equals to 0, where the first g of x is 5x minus 6 upon 7. So we have to find the value of x if this g of x is equals to 0. Okay, given that. So here if this is equals to 0, that means 5x minus 6 is also equals to 0. अगर 7 इधर जाएगा तो वो 0 हो जाएगा, right? So from here 5x will be 6 and x will be 6 upon 5. Clear? So second part and the third part. सेकेंड पार्ट भी इजी है, थर्ड पार्ट भी क्वाड्रेटिक है, फिर भी हम लोग कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. थर्ड पार्ट इज g of x is equals to 6x square plus x minus 2 which is equals to 0. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. माइनस 12 क्या ऐसे फैक्टराइजेशन जिसका प्लस और माइनस 1 आता है, तो क्या होता है ये 4 and 3. If you take 4 and 3, 4 3s are, but we need minus 12, plus 1. Okay, so the 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 and 4 minus 3 is plus 1. So the factors will be 6x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 minus 2 is equals to 0. So take x common or 2 common, 2x. So here it will be 3x plus 2, and here take minus 1 common, 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. So from here 3x plus 2 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. That means 3x is equals to minus 2, 2x is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 2 upon 3 and x is equals to here half. Okay, क्वाड्रेटिक तो तुम्हें फाइंड आउट करने आता ही होगा. यू हैव डिड दिस इन योर 8th स्टैंडर्ड फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके, सो दिस बी पार्ट इज फॉर योर होमवर्क एंड द थर्ड लास्ट पार्ट इज द इक्वेशन. द फंक्शन इज गिवन इन क्यूबिक फॉर्म. Synthetic division, that method we will use to find out the roots for the cubic equation. Cubic means a power 3, x का highest power 3 होगा. Okay, so the g of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. It is equals to 0. Okay, so how to find out the roots of the cubic equation? By using synthetic division. First of all, we will write down all the coefficients. 1, minus 2, minus 5 and 6. Okay, then we'll take 1 as it is. Not here. And here we have to take the roots, जिससे हमें हमें क्या पॉसिबिलिटी हम लोग थिंक कर सकते हैं कि दैट विल बी रूट्स. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज टेक 1, minus 1, half, 0, like that. Okay, so I am taking 1 here. Okay, and this as it is. So this as it is. So 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 and plus 1. You have to do addition over here. So it will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1. Minus 5 plus minus 6. It will be minus 6. Now minus 6 plus 1. Sorry, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. So here it is 0. Okay, so first of all you have to write down all the coefficients, right? Then you have to write this one as it is. Okay, then take जो भी तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि roots होगा, always take 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, half, like that. Then first you have to multiply these two. You have to write here and do addition over here. Then multiply, write addition. Multiply, write addition. If it comes 0, okay, then 1 will be a solution for this equation. एक solution मिल गया. Since the power is 3, so there will be 3 roots for this equation. यहाँ पे power था 2. That's why we have got 2 solution for this equation. Okay, so here one of the solution is x is equals to 1. सो वी विल रिड्यूस दिस इक्वेशन, क्योंकि एक तो मिल गया हमें, अभी हम क्यूबिक से क्वाड्रेटिक में उसको रिड्यूस करेंगे. हाउ? ये किसका अभी कोएफिशिएंट बन जाएगा? एक्स स्क्वायर का. ये एक्स का और ये कांस्टेंट का. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स माइनस 1 विल बी माइनस एक्स and minus 6. This will be 1 and the other one is this x minus 1 लिखना है. ये हमको एक रूट मिल गया x minus 1. Okay, this is equals to 0. So we have reduced this cubic into quadratic because we have got one root as x is equals to 1. So that can be written as x as minus 1. x minus 1 equals to 0. तो हो जाएगा x is equals to 1. Okay. So from here x is equals to 1 हो जाएगा because this will be 0 and this will be 0. And from here x square minus x minus 6 is equals to 0 हो जाएगा. Right? अब इसको quadratic से हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. तो माइनस 6 के ऐसे रूट जो माइनस 1 दो. So 3 into 2 लिया. Right? So 3 into 2 is 6. We need minus. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 6. So x square minus 3x plus 2x is minus 6 is equals to 0. x कॉमन लिया, x minus 3, 2 कॉमन लिया, x minus 3 is equals to 0. x minus 3 एक रूट मिल जाएगा, x plus 2 एक रूट मिल जाएगा. So x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So the roots are x is equals to 1, x is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, now we will see the sixth problem on page number 118. So the example number 6 is find x if f of x is equals to g of x. Okay. So in previous lecture, in previous example, it was g of x is equals to 0. You have to find out x. Here the f of x, two functions are equal and you have to find out the unknown value x. Okay. So the first is f of x is x raised to 4 plus 2x square, and here g of x is 11x square. Okay. So f of x is equals to g of x. That means x raised to 4 plus 2x square is equals to 11x square. Right? So if you take x raised to 4 plus 2x square minus 11x square is equals to 0. 2 minus 11, so x raised to 4 minus 9x square is equals to 0. Okay, now we have to find out the value of x. Since the power of x is equals to 4, so first of all what we will do, we will substitute x raised to 4 as a new variable. We will reduce the power. Okay, हम लोग यहाँ पे fourth power से उसको reduce करेंगे as put x square as t. If you put x square as t, then this equation will become, क्या बन जाएंगी ये इक्वेशन, x स्क्वायर t है तो x raised to 4 विल बी t स्क्वायर. राइट? x स्क्वायर अगर t है तो उसका भी पावर लिया तो वो t स्क्वायर माइनस t इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो ये 4 पावर की इक्वेशन बन गई क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके, नाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रूट फॉर द क्वाड्रेटिक. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. टेक t कॉमन, सो हियर इट विल बी t minus 9 which is equals to 0. so t is equals to 0 and t is equals to 9. तो हमें दो पॉसिबिलिटीज मिले, t is equals to 0 and t is equals to 9. So the first केस के लिए हम लोग x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, सेकंड केस के लिए x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. So the case one is if t is equals to 0. If your t is equals to 0, then x square as equals to 0. Okay? If t is equals to 0, then x square is equals to 0. अगर x square 0 है, that means x is equals to 0. तो the first value क्या मिली हमें, 0. Now case 2. If your x square, if t is equals to 9, if your t is equals to 9, then x square is 9. Then the x will be what? plus minus under root of 9, that is x is equals to, here also it is plus minus 3. Okay, so x square is 0, तो root of 0 तो exist नहीं करता, right? So here the four roots will be plus 3, minus 3, and the one is repeating, that is 0 and 0, right? So there are four roots, 0, 3 and minus 3. So the value of x are 0, plus 3 and minus 3. We will not repeat 0 over here. Okay. The next one is under root of x minus 3, the b part. Okay. Question number 6, b part. F of x is equals to under root of x minus 3 and g of x is equals to 5 minus x. Okay. So here f of x is equals to g of x. This is given for us, right? So root x minus 3 is equals to 5 minus x. Isn't it? Yeah. So here what we will do, we will take x here and minus 3 there. Or if you take a root of this, just first of all take this is root x with minus sign, minus x, minus 5 and minus 3. All minus sign will gone. So this will be root x plus x and plus minus 3, it will be 8. Okay, so we have got x, root x plus x is equals to 8. So what we'll do, to eliminate this square side, okay, we will take this root x over here and 8 minus x over here, and we will square both the side. Square both the side. What you will get here, it will be root x square, which is equals to 8 minus x whole square. Okay. So we will open this formula. This square root and this square will cancel. So it will be x, and here it will be 8 square. Okay. 8 square minus 2 into 8, 16 x plus x square, right? So x is equals to 64 minus 16x plus x square. Now take this x over here. So it will be x square minus 16x minus x plus 64, which is equals to 0. X square minus 17x plus 64 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 17 and C is equals to 64. So the formula for the quadratic equation, x is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So what is b? Minus 17. So minus minus plus. Plus minus under root of b square, that is 17 square, minus will gone because my square is there, minus 4 into a is 1, c is 64 upon 2 into a is 1. Okay. So if you solve that, you will get the answer. So x as equal to 17 plus minus 17 square. Okay. So the 17 square is equals to, we do the calculation. Okay. So the here 17 square is 289 minus 4 into 64 is 256 divided by 2a, and 2 into 1, that is 2. So 289 minus 256 is root 33. I have directly written the solution, the calculation part. Okay, you can just cross verify that calculation part. So the answer is Okay, so this is the answer. The value of the x will be first 17 plus under root 33 upon 2 and the second 17 minus under root 33 upon 2. Okay, the next question is the question number 7 on page number 118. If f of x is a minus x where divided by b minus x where f of 2 is undefined. The first condition is f of 2 is undefined where f of x is a minus x upon b minus x and f of 3 is equals to 5. Find a and b. Okay, one function is given and it is given if you find the value of the function at x is equals to 2, it will be undefined. It will not defined. Okay, and the f of 3 is equals to 5, then we have to find the constant a and b. So the first condition, first is f of x is given as, so if you find f of 2 means it is a minus 2 upon b minus 2. Given that f of 2 is not defined मतलब क्या, वो infinity आंसर देगा. तो infinity आंसर कब देगा? When b minus 2 will be equals to 0, right? Since f of 2 is not defined or undefined, therefore ये undefined कब होगा? Only if the denominator part is 0, right? b minus 2 is equals to 0, that is b is equals to 2. Okay, so the first value of the b is equals to 2. Now the second condition we will use to find out the value of a. So what is given? F of 3 is equals to 5. So substitute 3 in your function. A minus 3 upon b minus 3 is equals to 5. So a minus 3. What is b? It is 2. 2 minus 3 is equals to 5. So a minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is equals to 5. Shift minus 1 there. So it will be minus 5, right? So a is equals to minus 5 minus यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. A minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So the value of a is minus 2 and the value of b is equals to 2. Okay. So this is about the exercise 6.1. The remaining example we will see in next class. Now today we will solve some graphical problems which is given on page number 109. Okay. So with the help of graph, the question can come in exam. Just one graph will be given to you, okay, and you have to find out the different points by taking the help of that graph. Okay, so 109 problem number 2. Using the graph of y is equals to g of x, y is equals to g of x. Okay, so the graph is like this. It is given in the textbook. Okay, so this point is minus 4 comma 0. This point is minus 1 comma 4. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and this is minus 4. Okay, here it is 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the graph is given like this. Okay, so this point is minus 1 comma 4. This point is minus 4 comma 0. Find g of minus 4. G of minus 4 and g of 3. G of minus 4 means, see here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so first of all you have to find out the value of g of minus 4. So clearly from here you can see at x is equals to -4. Okay, x is equals to -4, it will lie on this. So on x axis the value of y is always 0, right? And on y axis value of x is always 0. So here you have to find g of -4 which is equals to y, right? So x is equals to -4 है तुम्हारा. You have to find the value of y at x is equals to -4. So -4 पे value of y क्या होती है? 0. So y will be 0. Okay, it is very simple. The next is g of 3. G of 3 means here. Here also x is equals to 3. From the graph you can see in the graph it is given. From the graph only we can find out the answer. Okay, I am unable to draw the accurate graph on the board, so for that you have to just look in the textbook. Okay, so the value here, it is like 2 and this is like 3 and this is 4. Okay, so this is your x is equals to 3, right? So the value of y will be here. And here since the curve is meeting at this point, therefore we have taken y as 0, and here they have given when your when your x is equals to 3, your y will be equals to, they have given as it is equals to -5 because it is down, so it is -5. Okay, so from the graph only we can find out the values. So problem number 4, problem number 5. Okay, so you just go through these problems. So I am unable to draw the accurate figure on the board, so just go through it from the textbook. Okay, and try to solve it. This is very simple problem. Now the next topic is some basic function which are very standard functions. Okay, that we will see one by one, like constant function क्या होता है, identity function क्या होता है, and there are certain properties given on that topic. हर एक के एक properties है that we will see one by one. So the next topic, the next point is basic functions. Basic function जैसे होता है ना, हर एक का basic standard form, like trigonometric के basic formulas है, right? So similarly functions में भी basic functions है, standard functions है. So the first basic function is, you can say basic or a standard functions. So the very first basic function is a constant function. Constant function. Okay, here we will take all the function from R to R. Okay, standard functions के लिए अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will wise our range for the domain and the codomain. पहले हम लोग छोटे छोटे रेंज लिया करते थे, A and set B. Now we will take the real number set R and R. So your function will define over R and R. Okay, so what is the constant function? So the definition of the constant function is f of x will be some constant for the every x belongs to R. So that type of function is called constant. मतलब तुम कोई भी वैल्यू लो, f of 1 लो, f of 2 लो, it will give you k, right? Suppose if I take f of x as 2, okay, f of x as 2 for every x belongs to R. So इसका diagram कैसा होगा? For if you take x as 1, it will give you 1, 2 here point. Okay, so this is 1, 2. If you take 2, it will give you 2. Okay, for the every point, if you take -1, it will give you 2. If you take -2, it will give you 2. If you take -3, it will give you 2. Right? So it will give you the straight line. So this is the constant function. F of x is equals to 2. If I take f of x as -2, so the line will be over here. Right? So this is called the constant function. So the graph of the constant function is like this. Okay? Now here the domain is clearly, we have taken the real number set. So the domain is R. or you can take from minus infinity to plus infinity. R can also be written as it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, and what will be its image? हम लोग क्या देखे हैं? For every point we are getting only one image, x is y is equals to 2, right? So therefore the range will be what? For this example, the range set will contain only one image, that is 2. And in general, if your function is f of x is equals to k, then the k will be there in your range set. क्योंकि सभी elements के लिए they will give you the one image, that is a 2. That is a k. So this is about what? This is about the constant function. So the next functions, identity, power function, that we will see in next class.